Hi, welcome to Mom How Do I. Today I'm going to teach you how to do some basic eye makeup. These are the only supplies we will be using. Like I said, basic. If you are looking for someone to show you how to use primer, setting spray, contour, wing liner, etc., then my advice to you would be look up a professional makeup artist. I am not one. However, so many of you have asked for this video that I decided to show you what I do, just so you can have somewhere to start. As you can see, this is all inexpensive brand makeup that you should be able to find at Walmart or anywhere like that. No need to go to Ulta or Sephora for expensive makeup unless you want to. We will be using some blendable powder, pencil eyeliner, a basic set of nude eyeshadow colors, some optional glitter eyeshadow to add some sparkle, an eyelash curler, and mascara. We are going to start with the blending powder. Just put a light layer over your eyelid and under your eye. I use this to help make the skin tone even around my eyes and give a light background for the eyeshadow to go on. Next is the trickiest part, eyeliner. I do this before the eyeshadow. That way, if you mess up or smudge it, it is easy to wipe off without having to redo all your eyeshadow. The trick with eyeliner is that you don't want to cover the whole length of your eye, only about half. Then use your finger to blend it down a little bit. Same with the other eye, just the outer half, then blend it over a bit more. Now onto eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is fun because you can really do anything you want. For a basic everyday look, I like to use a light color first up by the brow line, just like this. Same with the other eye, just the top next to the brow line. Next, I use a light color to do the inner corner of the eyelid, down by the tear duct, and a little bit under the eye. Next, I use a dark color for the outer part of my eyelid and in the crease that forms when you open your eye. Last, I use a medium to go over the whole thing and help blend it together. Now that the eyeshadow is complete, we are almost finished. I like to use an eyelash curler before applying mascara to make my eyelashes seem a bit longer. Just open the curler, place your lashes in the middle, and close the curler. Hold for about 5 seconds, and be careful not to move the curler while it is closed. Otherwise, you will pull out your eyelashes. Ouch! The last step is to apply some mascara to your lashes. Be careful with the bottom ones, especially that you don't smear any mascara under your eyes. However, if you do, no problem. Just use some makeup remover to get it off. The very last step I like to do, if I feel like it, is to add some glitter eyeshadow to add a bit of sparkle and complete the look. We are finished! I'm sure you look beautiful.
Mom?